Hello students, welcome again. In this video, we will do another easy and scoring writing section topic, BioSketch writing. Before we understand BioSketch, do you know these words? Biography, autobiography, biopic. Biography is an account of someone's life written by someone else. For example, A Beautiful Mind is the biography of well-known mathematician John Nash, written by Sylvia Nasar. While autobiography is an account of a person's life written by the person himself. For example, Mahatma Gandhi's autobiography, My Experiment with Truth. While biopic is a biographical film, a movie made on life of a person. For example, you must have seen these movies, Bhag Milkha Bhag, Dangal, Mary Kom. These are all based on the life of particular people. Now, BioSketch or biographical sketch is a type of writing generally done to inform about a significant event or small portion of a person's life. That means it is not account of the whole life of a person, but a small or significant event from a person's life. A biographical sketch is short and much more specific. So a BioSketch or biographical sketch is a brief write-up that summarizes a person's life, achievements, character, experiences, etc. It's a short description which highlights the main points in the life of a person. Some points that we need to remember while writing BioSketch. The details of a person are given in the form of notes and it should be arranged in order to make a complete figure. That means some clue or some points from the life of a person are given and one need to arrange it in proper order in order to write BioSketch. Form paragraph on the basis of outlines provided. Write paragraph in third person. Since a BioSketch is written by someone else, it should be written in third person, not in first or second person. Use appropriate conjunctions and prepositions in order to connect the statements and place them properly. And do not create or add your own personal opinion. Even if you have some extra information about the person, you don't need to write it. Stick to the points given in the questions. And do not exceed word limit. Stick to the word limit. Now let's understand BioSketch with the help of an example. Write the biographical sketch of Ruskin Bond, a well-known writer in not more than 100 to 120 words based on the clues from his life given below. So some points, some clues from the life of famous writer Ruskin Bond is given, and based on that you have to write the BioSketch. Now let's read the clues first. Full name Ruskin Bond, DOB, that means date of birth, May 19, 1934. Birthplace Kasauli, Himachal Pradesh. Schooling, boarding school Mussoorie, Bishop Cotton School Shimla, graduated. That means graduated from here. Occupation, that means the job that he does. Author and poet. Nationality, Indian, born to British couple when India was under colonial rule. That means he was born during British rule. He is an Indian but he is born to British parents. Famous work, Our Trees Still Grow in Dehra, The Blue Umbrella, The Lone Fox, Dancing. Works influenced by life in hill station at the foothill of Himalayas. Since Ruskin Bond has spent most of his life in Himalayas, so his work is influenced by the lifestyle there. Genre, that means the field about which he writes. Non-fiction, novels, children's stories, autobiography. Awards, Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, Sahitya Academy Award. These are the awards given to him. Now let's write his BioSketch. Ruskin Bond, a well-known Indian writer, was born on 19 May 1934 in Kasauli, Himachal Pradesh. From the clues, we know that he is a well-known Indian writer, and from first three lines, we have included his date of birth and place of birth. In his childhood, he was sent to boarding school in Mussoorie. He did his schooling from Bishop Cotton School in Shimla and also graduated from there. This we know from fourth clue. Ruskin Bond is an Indian author of British descent, born to British parents when India was in colonial rule. His writing is very much influenced by the lives at the foothills of Himalayas. His famous works include Our trees still grow in Dehra, The Blue Umbrella, The Lone Fox Dancing, etc. He has written many non-fiction stories, novels, children's stories, etc. He has also written his autobiography. Due to his wonderful writing, he has been awarded with prestigious Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan and also Sahitya Akademi Award. He is an asset to English literature and to our country. This line we can add because we already know about him from the clues that we have read. So this was about BioSketch, children. I hope it has been helpful to you. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.